Dock Bay 7 just here. Docking Bay 7. Ah, it's fish. Dead fish. The menu. Some space food. Gonna go collect the order. Collect it from here. Pick up 3. There we go. Have a good sleep. I'm hungry. Got some broccoli. Is that fish?
No, chicken.
Chicken and macaroni and cheese.
One for your mother. And this is a Ronto Wrap. Pork and sausage, basically.
Lovely. And we're now in a pod. Woo! Inside Dock 7. Alien. So we've finished our food and we're looking at Genie Plus. But it's 6 o'clock. We've done most of the things. We've got an hour and a half to kill. We can book one, but we can't rebook something we've already been on using the lighting lanes. So that doesn't leave us with a lot of choice.
Outpost Puff. Looks like this, apparently.
What are you doing, guys?
Pulling the pineapple off.
What's that?
Pineapple?
Oh, is it nice?
No, it's chili pineapple.
Oh, I could have been outside. This is nice. And that was eating at Dock Bay number 7.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And you subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bam! Bye guys! Bye guys!